Welcome to Hobby Trendy channel. Today, I'll show you our Hobby Trendy Press Crystal Rivets kit. The kit includes 4 crystal rivet setting dies, that is, 7mm double capped, 7.5 single capped, 9mm double capped and 9.5mm single capped crystal rivet dies. These are the double capped rivets. And these are the single capped rivets. Single capped crystal rivets are self-piercing rivets. As you can see, the pins of the rivets are different than normal rivets. They easily pierce through soft materials. For the double capped rivets and harder materials, you need to punch a hole to apply the rivets easily. I'll use a piece of felt in this video. The set also includes 2mm and 3mm hole punches with 1 hole punch base. Punching a hole is easy. With Hobby Trendy Press, you can punch through leather, plastic, canvas, cardboard, rubber, fabrics, silk and many other materials. Punching a hole like this is ideal for long, repetitive work without causing sore hands. Now, let's set the double capped crystal rivets. The bottom part is where you put the cap. As you see, these fit each other. The upper threaded part of the die is for the crystal cap. After placing the dies, you have 2 options with the crystal rivet. You can place it upwards, into the rubber part. Or you can put the pin into the bottom cap. I prefer putting the pin into the bottom cap. I just find it easier. Gently press the handle and set the rivet. Now, let's set the single capped crystal rivets. The bottom part is where you put the piercing pin. Just like the double capped rivet, these fit each other. And the upper threaded part of the die is for the crystal cap. The felt is 2mm thick, but it is a soft material. Let's see how the piercing pin works. Again, gently press the handle. The piercing pin easily goes through the felt. However, if you need to apply these on sturdier and thicker materials, you may need to use a hole punch. Thank you for watching.